Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be guiding you through how to get private key on SafePal. To get the private key from your SafePal wallet, open up the SafePal application on your mobile device and log into your wallet as you normally do. Soon after you open up your SafePal wallet, go ahead and tap on your wallet's name drop-down at the top of the screen. Now under your wallet list, click on the wallet that you want to view the private key for. Tap the three dots right next to the wallet and then this will open up the wallet details page. Click on Export Private Key and remember that you should not disclose your private key with anyone since they can steal your assets held in your account with it. Click the Confirm button in order to reveal your private key. Now, select the blockchain network for which you want to export the private key from the list. You will then need to enter your security password to get to this page. Now, tap on the Copy Private Key button and store it securely in a secret location. Be extremely cautious with your private key since anyone who has it can access and control your funds. So that is how you find your private key on SafePal. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video.